Hello everyone, in this video I would like to talk about how to use PowerPoints for the tangent line and the secant line that is meeting up at a point outside a circle. Check this out. So we got a circle out there and I get a point out there, and of course there's going to be a secant line just like this. I'm going to call it as L, and there's going to be a tangent line. Alright, so that becomes the tangent point, and because that's a tangent point I would like to call it as T. Alright, so we got point P, and I would like to call this as A and B. All right, so check this out. What do I know about these figures? Well, from the tangent angle property, you know that PTA is the same angle as PTA is same angle as PBT. At the same time, we got one congruent angles to itself. So we got two figures that are on that is well known. We got PAT, similar to PAT, similar to PTB. PTB. And for those people who have no idea how to deduce this idea, well, check this out. Here's what's going to happen. I want you to see the unseen center, and I want you to drop the perpendicular. Well, it's not the perpendicular, like a foot, but that T is going to form, well, let me say O. OT is going to form 90 degree with PT because that's the definition of a tangent point. If you call this theta, well, you know that that much is going to be 90 minus theta. And because that's 90 minus theta, and of course this is a radius, this is also 90 minus theta. And that becomes 2 theta, right? So that becomes 2 theta. And you know that the central angle and the inscribed angle has the ratio of 2 to 1. So that becomes theta for sure. All right, so this is a brief, like a proof of why we get the theta and theta being equal with one another. But at the same time, we get PA to PT. Coming back to our expressions, PA to PT equals PT to PB. And if you cross multiply, let's see what happens. We get PA times PB equals PT squared. So PT squared equals PA times PB. And this is how we use the PowerPoints for the tangent line and the secant line whose intersection point stays outside a circle.